Top 5 South African Forex Traders. The Forex industry is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. As of 2023, ever since Forex has hit South Africa, there is an all-time high level of Forex traders and people who are joining Forex. The 5 traders on my list have played a very big role in making us believe that you can change your life and become a self-made millionaire through Forex trading. And they do this by showing us their luxurious lifestyles and also teach us how to be successful Forex traders through their mentorship programs and institutions. Without further ado, let's get to the video.
Wake up, nigga. Gotta get the cake up, nigga.
What's up, money makers? I go by the name of Stone and welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button below and like the video for more valuable videos that will help you believe in yourself and in Forex trading, and also help you reach your financial goals. Coming up at number 5, we have Tapelo Lesiba, also known as Classic Forex Trader. Classic Forex Trader is a 22-year-old self-made millionaire and is one of the youngest millionaires in South Africa. He has made waves in the Forex industry with his very own robot known as Sophia and the Classic Forex Trader Telegram, which was trending in 2021. He has managed to accumulate millions for himself, and he currently owns a BMW i8, BMW GT, and Mercedes G-Wagon, just to name a few. Sitting at number 4, we have Lesiba Matupi, also known as Lesiba Steez. Lesiba started trading in 2017 as a college student. He then decided to drop out of college to pursue Forex trading. He is the founder and CEO of Forex Chasers, one of South Africa's top trading institutions. From his childhood in Lephalale, a coal mining town in Limpopo, to being South Africa's multi-millionaire Forex trader, CEO and founder of Forex Chasers, YouTuber, and online entrepreneur. Being ambitious as he is, he also started a new journey as an author with his very own book called The Journey to 100 Million Rands. At number 3 on today's list, we have Tapelo and Emmanuel Mabitsela, also known as the FX Goats. Tapelo and Emmanuel were introduced to Forex trading back in 2017, but they only started to take Forex trading seriously in the beginning of 2018. After blowing many accounts, they started getting their breakthrough towards the end of 2018. They are the founders of the FX Gold Forex Trading Academy, also YouTubers with over 200,000 subscribers and online entrepreneurs. They were able to change their lives from nothing to becoming one of the most respected Forex traders in South Africa. Sitting at number 2, Jason Noah. Jason Noah started trading back in 2017. Before that, he found out that his girlfriend was pregnant with his child, which led to his father throwing him out to the streets. He then was forced to hustle for himself, living in his cousin's back room. He kept blowing accounts until he decided to quit trading. He went to look for jobs at Pick n Pay and even applied in the SAPS. Then there was a course that was hosted in Sandton. He then decided to give it a try. He went and got the skill that changed his life. Jason then made his first million rands after 3 months of consistent trading using this skill. Today, he is the CEO of Forex Kings, which has changed the lives of many young South Africans, making most of them millionaires. He is also the founder and CEO of Alpha Markets, which is his own brokerage firm.
Golf 7R, the A45, I never drove in any of those cars until I bought them. The M4 was the only car that I literally drove in because of Ashley when I went to Durban. And then the Range Rover, I've never set foot in a Range Rover ever in my life. I didn't know anybody who had a Range Rover. Same goes for the R8. I've never driven in an R8 until I owned it. And that's crazy. Like when I look back, I'm like, actually I did that. I never drove in those cars until I owned them. And I think that's a good way to live life, you know. I really think it's a good way to see and go through life in that type of perspective. Until you own it, don't claim it until it's yours, nigga.
Sitting at the number 1 spot, we have the one and only Refilwe Ngele, famously known as Ref Wayne. Ref Wayne grew up in a very poor household in the township of Soweto. However, he was very ambitious and found innovative ways to make money from a very young age. He then started trading Forex at the age of 16 after dropping out of high school. His life started to change drastically after he found himself making millions of rands from the Forex market. Ref was one of the first people to introduce Forex trading to young black South Africans. He showed them a new way to change their lives beyond the wildest imaginations.
Man. No, guys, say power. Power, man. Power. I mean, we're moving now, man.
He is now an award-winning currency trader, self-made millionaire, and best-selling author for his Forex trading books. I highly respect this man for his consistency. Many popular traders do not think for the long term. Many of them disappear when things go south. But Ref Wayne has always been here and he is still going far. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, it's your boy Stone. Peace out.